भारत के बच्चे, हम नहीं हैं अकल के कच्चे। हम आंसू नहीं बहाते हैं क्योंकि हम हैं सीधे सरल और सच्चे।
Hello and hearty welcome to one and all present here. We are here to celebrate Children's Day.
We, the teachers of Noel School, will represent world famous Indian children whose achievement make India beam with pride.
ना रोने की वजह है, ना हंसने का बहाना है। ना रोने की वजह है, ना हंसने का बहाना है। क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े। इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का ज़माना है, इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का ज़माना है।
So let's begin with the first child, Truptaraj Pandya.
Truptaraj Pandya, the youngest tabla master in the world. Nature sometimes surprises us by making people with exceptional skills. One such person with incredible talent is Truptaraj Pandya. At the age of 6, he awarded with a certificate from Guinness Book of Records for being the youngest ever tabla master. He was 2 years old when he started playing the tabla. He was born with a sense of rhythm. Thank you.
Shaurya Mahanath. Shaurya Mahanath is the youngest abstract artist in the world and he works on acrylic painting. He started painting from the age of 4. Shaurya is known as one of the youngest to pick up the brush. In 2012, Shaurya is the Pogo television presented Shaurya the World Amazing Kid Award. Thank you.
Kautilya Pandit is a 12-year-old boy from Haryana who is popular for his intelligence. He is exceptionally good in general knowledge and current affairs. The young genius has got so many awards for as a genius boy, Google boy and space boy. Thank you so much.
Meet Priyanshi Somani, the human calculator. Mathematics is probably the only subject which is dreaded by a number of kids alike, but not for Priyanshi Somani. She not only found it interesting but also made a world record at a young age of 11. Priyanshi was only 11 years old when she was crowned the winner of Mental Calculation World Cup in the year 2010. She did mental calculation to solve square roots, which made her India's youngest human calculator. Thank you. Naya.
Arvind Chittambaram, born on 11 September 1999, is an Indian chess grandmaster. He won the Indian Chess Championship twice, 2018 and 2019. A 14 years old Arvind beat 4 grandmasters and he is won Open GM tournament. Thank you.
Meet Angad Daryan from Mumbai. At the age of 8, he built solar boat. At the age of 13, he made 3D printer, and at the age of 15, he built e-reader for blind people. Thank you.
Tinith Aditya. Tinith Aditya is a world famous inventor. Tinith started experimenting at the age of 6. He created his first invention at the age of 10. He developed 19 inventions at under the age of 18. One of his first invention is banana leaf technology. For his contribution in science, he was awarded Innovation Scholar of India Award. He is the first who received International Youth Inventor Award. Thank you.
Pari Sinha was born on 29th of January 2010. Our country makes an army of chess contestants, but this child, Pari Sinha, is the giant killer of the chess world. She made her debut in the state level competition.
Moin Junaidi, the Wonder Boy. Moin has suffered more fractures in his life than the bones he has in his body due to a disease which can damage the bone at the time of coughing also. But still, 16 years, Moin has won 50 meters backstroke medal in IWCS. Also, Moin has won the medal in swimming many times. Thank you very much.
Shalini Kumari from Bihar saw her grandpa not being able to visit his favorite spot, that was terrace garden, because he was using walker. This motivated to Shalini design an amazing and new variation of walker. You can use this walker while climb up and down flight of stairs. Thank you.
पटना बिहार में प्रतिभाशालियों की कमी नहीं है। इनमें से एक नाम सत्यम कुमार का भी आता है। महज एक 12 वर्ष की उम्र में इन्होंने IIT JEE जैसी मुश्किल और सम्मानित परीक्षा पास कर सभी लोगों को हैरान कर दिया। वे एक किसान के बेटे हैं। थैंक यू।
Anshuman Nandi is a young 9 years old drummer and child actor from the hills of Tripura. He was 3 years old when he performed India's Got Talent. He has also made his Bollywood debut as a child actor in 2017 Bollywood films alongside Irfan Khan.
Anand Gangadharan and Mohak Bhalla. Anand and Mohak, two students from Delhi's Mount Carmel School. They turn up their science exhibition project into an amazing invention. They invented a shoe that can work as a portable mobile charger. They call it as a Walkie Mobi charger, which generates a 6 volts of electricity. Thank you.